Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make wiser purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the battle of the robot vacuums and mops, the Narwal Freo and the Roborock Q Revo. Let's see which one will mop the floor with the other. Starting off with the Narwal Freo, this sophisticated cleaner comes in at $1,399. It's definitely a high-end choice. On the other hand, the Roborock Q Revo is priced at $899, making it a more budget-friendly option without compromising too much on features. The Narwal Freo boasts its Freo Mode, which is incredibly advanced, offering self-cleaning, self-washing, and self-drying capabilities. Reviewers love its high-tech features, likening it to the Tony Stark of robot vacuums. The Roborock Q Revo, meanwhile, comes with a multifunctional dock that washes and dries mops, and can even self-empty for up to 7 weeks. Reviewers appreciate its versatility, calling it a Swiss Army knife for your floors. Narwal Freo's Dirtsense technology detects how dirty the mops are and sanitizes them accordingly. Reviewers with OCD about clean floors find this feature particularly appealing. The Roborock Q Revo, on the other hand, has dual spinning mops that move at 200 RPM and offers 30 water flow levels. Reviewers love how it tackles stains like a mini dance party on their floors. Narwal Freo shines with its smart swing mopping and corner traps technology, effectively cleaning along walls and baseboards. Reviewers appreciate its ability to reach hard-to-clean areas. Roborock Q Revo features auto mop lifting, allowing it to transition from hard floors to carpets seamlessly. Reviewers find this feature especially useful for mixed-floor households. While the Narwal Freo focuses more on mopping, Roborock Q Revo offers 5,500 pascals, extreme suction power, and reactive tech obstacle avoidance. Reviewers praise its strong suction and advanced object recognition, making it less likely to bump into furniture or get stuck. Overall, reviewers find the Narwal Freo to be a premium high-tech option that excels in mopping and thorough cleaning. However, some note its high cost and occasional issues with suction power. The Roborock Q Revo is praised for its versatility, powerful suction, and adaptability, making it a strong contender for those looking for a more affordable yet efficient cleaning solution. Which one would you pick? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another Buy Smart showdown. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy cleaning!